Disabling two-factor authentication on your Robinhood account can help simplify your login process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device or visit the Robinhood website on your computer. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your username and password to log into your Robinhood account. Ensure you have access to your account to make changes. Step 3. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is typically found by tapping on the account icon or menu option in the app or website. Step 4. Find security settings. In the account settings menu, look for the security settings section. Here, you will find options related to two-factor authentication. Step 5. Disable two-factor authentication. Select the option to disable two-factor authentication. You may be prompted to enter your password again or verify your identity to confirm the change. After completing these steps, two-factor authentication will be disabled on your Robinhood account. Remember to keep your account secure by using strong passwords and monitoring your account activity regularly.